Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jonalyn Antiojo Sacro. I am 26 years old. I am a single mother. I have one son, 6 years old. I am very honest, understanding, and very dedicated person. And I have a work experience in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years and 3 months. I finished my contract. I'm an all-around worker for them. I cook, I clean, I wash their clothes, I iron their clothes, I watch their children and go to school with their children and all the housework. And the member of the family is 8 person. They have 2 sons and 4 daughters. And I work for them all around because I am the only one who work for them, and they have a big house, but it's okay for me because for me work is important. If you hire me, mom and sir, I will assure you that I will give my 100% best and effort for your family. And I will treat your family like my own family. Thank you so much.